Now this is the fastest ZONG mobile APN settings for Android devices. So simply here you have to search for ZONG internet settings by and then enter a keyword which is not sponsored basically. Tap on apnmostly.com. So this is a website. I think it gives in the APN from past 3 years and it has been one of the best websites. So when you search for Zong mobile internet settings by APN mostly, this post will come. Tap on this post basically, and it has one of the wonderful APN settings. So simply scroll down from here, and now when you scroll down, you will find that they have a particular table here that you can use as internet APN settings for Android and iOS with all the screenshots like how you can enable it. So this is how you can do it, right? And there is a specific for PUBG also. There is specific for gaming also, and methods how you can configure it. So Zong mobile APN settings is the best given by apnmostly.com.